In 2024, Europe's medium and heavy commercial vehicle fleet exceeded 6.4 million units and continues to grow, driving a rising demand for higher clearance and wider parking spans in logistics and industrial sites.
I'm a truck driver, and in my country it's very difficult to find a parking area with shed for this kind of trucks.
Take a look at Powerway's single-column solar carport powered VoltPark.
VoltPark creates wide maneuvering space and supports dual parking for medium and large vehicles. The single-post design is positioned at the rear of the bay to ensure unobstructed door opening and smoother vehicle movement. It can accommodate more photovoltaic panels than a typical carport, increasing the overall power generation. VoltPark features an integrated multi-channel drainage system that ensures quick, controlled rainwater removal. This keeps the structure and vehicles dry, enhancing durability, reducing corrosion, and maintaining a clean environment even during heavy rain. Max column spacing up to 10 meters, reduced foundations required, higher structural stability with reduced steel consumption. All connection nodes are pre-validated and optimized, improving design quality. Engineers access ready-to-use node packages, reduces the process by up to 3 working days. Standardized components ensure stable quality and a dependable 25-30 day production cycle.